Did you know that AI tools like ChatGPT can write emails, plan trips, boost productivity, and even help you make money? If you're not using AI in your daily life, you're missing out on a game-changing technology. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to simplify your life, save time, and get more done. All without being a tech expert. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most powerful ways to use AI, boosting productivity. Whether you're a student, employee, or entrepreneur, ChatGPT can help you. Write emails faster. Just type, "Write a polite email requesting a meeting for next week." Summarize long documents. Try. Summarize this 10-page report in 3 bullet points. Brainstorm ideas. Ask, "Give me 10 creative marketing ideas for a small business." Imagine saving hours every week just by letting AI do the heavy lifting. Want to learn faster? AI tools like ChatGPT are perfect for research and study help. Need to understand a difficult topic? Just type, "Explain quantum physics like I'm 10 years old." Want a quick study guide? Try, "Create a summary of World War II in 5 key points." Need help with coding? Ask, "Fix this Python error." Paste your code. It's like having a 24/7 tutor and research assistant in your pocket. AI isn't just about work, it can also organize your life. Here's how. Plan your day. Ask, "Create a productive morning routine for me." Meal planning and recipes. Try, "Give me a healthy meal plan for a week." Budgeting help. Use, "Create a monthly budget for a $3,000 income." With just a few prompts, AI can simplify your daily tasks and keep you on track. Are you a creator? AI can help you generate content faster than ever. Making YouTube videos? Ask, "Write a video script on the best AI tools for beginners." Need a blog post? Use, "Write a 500-word article on the future of AI." Social media captions? Try, "Write 3 engaging Instagram captions for a travel photo." AI makes writing, brainstorming, and editing 10 times faster. AI isn't all about work, it's also super fun. Want jokes? Ask, "Tell me a funny dad joke." Need a bedtime story? Try, "Write a short story about a space-traveling cat." Like text-based games, let's play a choose-your-own-adventure story. AI can be your personal comedian, storyteller, and even a game master. And that's just the beginning. AI tools like ChatGPT can save you time, boost your creativity, and simplify your daily life. Which AI tool do you use the most? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe for more AI and tech tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video.